Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 6th of September 2024, and we're diving into the latest and greatest from the world of Apple and beyond. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's talk about Apple's potential foray into the foldable device market. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is testing a foldable device that features a secondary color e-ink display. This could be a game changer, as e-ink displays are known for their power efficiency compared to the OLED panels used in current foldables like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. While e-ink has traditionally been monochrome, recent advancements have led to color displays such as the e-ink Gallery 3, which offers improved color and faster refresh rates. Rumors suggest Apple might release a foldable with a 9-inch display by 2025 and a larger 20-inch version by 2026. This move could leverage Apple's strong app support on iPadOS, potentially setting it apart in the evolving foldable market. In a heartwarming story, Rachel Manalo, an 18-week pregnant woman, credits her Apple Watch's ECG feature with saving her life and that of her unborn child. After experiencing symptoms like a racing heart and shortness of breath, she used the ECG function, which showed her heart rate was alarmingly high. This prompted her to seek medical attention, leading to a diagnosis of ventricular tachycardia, a serious condition. Her doctor emphasized the importance of the data from the Apple Watch, which led to timely intervention. This incident underscores the life-saving potential of wearable technology, particularly the ECG feature available on Apple Watch Series 4 and later models. Next, let's explore Mycelium, a graph visualization library designed for machine learning models. This tool allows users to drag and drop an ONX file onto its web page to visualize their models. Integrated into the Talaria system, Mycelium enhances model visualization and optimization. The project is a collaborative effort, with contributions from several authors, including Jochen Gertler and Fred Homan, and acknowledges teams at Apple. Mycelium aims to simplify understanding and optimizing machine learning models through intuitive visualizations, encouraging user feedback and interaction. Moving on to a new app called BreathQuest, which gamifies breathwork meditation. This app uses microphone and camera data to analyze breathing patterns, allowing users to control a game object by inhaling and exhaling. It provides real-time feedback, helping users track progress and improve their breathing techniques. The latest update introduced adjustable breath detection sensitivity and new levels, enhancing the user experience. BreathQuest is available for free, with a premium subscription option, and is compatible with iOS 15.0 or later. Users have praised its simplicity and effectiveness in promoting well-being. In industry news, August 2024 saw significant layoffs in the tech sector, with over 27,000 jobs cut across more than 40 companies, including Intel, Cisco, IBM, and Apple. Intel announced a major reduction as part of a $10 billion cost-cutting plan, while Cisco is shifting focus towards AI and cybersecurity. IBM is discontinuing R&D operations in China, and Apple laid off around 100 employees from its services group to redirect resources towards AI. This trend highlights a challenging environment for the tech industry, with over 136,000 layoffs reported in 2024. Finally, let's discuss Minno Finance, a mobile app that streamlines stock analysis. Acting like a personal investment banking analyst, it automates company analysis, providing insights quickly. Key features include comparable company analysis, real-time prices, and interactive graphs. Users can access organized financial statements and track earnings and revenue growth. The app facilitates sharing of information and watch lists, making collaboration easy. Minno Finance has received positive reviews for its intuitive design and comprehensive information, positioning it as a strong alternative to platforms like Yahoo Finance. It's available for free on iOS 13.0 or later. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple and technology. Stay curious.